Hello everyone, let's dive into the Blizzard Lighting ARIA-Lens-36. What immediately grabs your attention is its adaptability. This isn't your typical fixed beam fixture. It's designed for users who need flexibility. The key feature is the interchangeable lens system. Instead of being stuck with a single beam angle, you can quickly swap out the lens tube to achieve different effects. The ARIA Profile RGBW works seamlessly with all of Blizzard Lighting's current lens tubes, which is a huge plus. It essentially future-proofs your investment within the Blizzard ecosystem. The available lens options include 19 degrees, 26 degrees, 36 degrees, and 50 degrees. This range makes it a truly versatile fixture, capable of handling a wide variety of applications. Think about it. With a 19 degrees lens, you can create a tight, focused beam for highlighting a specific performer or object. Switch to the 50 degrees lens, and you get a wide, even wash that can cover a large area of the stage. The 26 degrees and 36 degrees lenses offer intermediate options, allowing you to fine-tune the beam angle to perfectly match your needs. This level of control is invaluable for lighting designers and technicians who work in diverse environments. Whether you're lighting a concert, a theatrical production, a corporate event, or even a house of worship, the ARIA-Lens-36 can adapt to the specific requirements of the space. The ability to change the field angle without having to purchase entirely new fixtures is a significant cost saver in the long run. It also simplifies your inventory management, as you can achieve multiple effects with a single unit. Instead of needing a separate fixture for each beam angle, you can simply swap out the lens tube on the ARIA-Lens-36. The ARIA-Lens-36 is a well-rounded and adaptable lighting solution. Its interchangeable lens system, compatibility with existing Blizzard lens tubes, and range of available beam angles make it a valuable asset for any lighting professional. If you're looking for a fixture that can handle a wide range of applications and save you money in the long run, the ARIA-Lens-36 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.